How to change last scene on WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. From there, select Settings to open your account preferences. Now, tap on Privacy, which is where all your visibility and data sharing settings are located. Next, tap on Last Seen and Online. Here you will find two options. The first one is for controlling who can see your last seen time. Choose from Everyone, My Contacts Except, or Nobody, depending on your preference. If you want to hide your last seen from everyone, select Nobody. If you want more control, use My Contacts Except to block specific people from seeing it. After setting your last seen preferences, look just below it for the Who Can See When I Am Online option. You will get two choices here, Everyone or Same as Last Seen. If you don't want anyone to know when you are online, simply choose Same as Last Seen. This way your online activity is hidden based on the same settings you selected above. Once you have made your selections, you can exit the settings. Your changes will take effect immediately and people will no longer be able to track your activity unless you have allowed them through the settings. And that's it. Now you know how to change last seen on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.